All right, we are here at the Legal Connection office. Address is 8656 Highway 71. I'm going to show you what you would need to know on the owner's or facility manager's side of the fire alarm system. So right now here we have the panel. You have a key in there. This key works for any of the panels in the system, like this power supply here. And also, if anyone ever needed to reset a pull station after someone were to pull it, you can use this key in the door right here. Obviously, if the system goes off, like someone pulls that pull station right there, or a smoke detector goes off, the fire alarm or the fire department will be called out here. So if there's ever any maintenance, either by us, Texas Star, or if you call Impact Fire here, you can see their sticker at the bottom. We can come out and do some service if there's any. And when we come out, you'll want to be able to put the system on test. And to put the system on test, you have to call this number up here. That's the cellular dialer. And so right up here, you have this phone number that'll go to the monitoring station. You're going to need to call them and give them that account number, TELG-9796, and they will put the system on test for you. Most fire alarm companies can do that themselves. But if you ever have anybody that asks you to do it, you can just call that number right up there. Now, if you're looking at this panel, you can see there's a bunch of different lights right here. You have alarm, supervisory, trouble, silence, power. If you open this up, you can see that you have more buttons. Now, if the pull station goes off or smoke detector goes off, you will get an alarm signal. That will light up and the fire department will be called out here. For supervisory, there are duct detectors in the HVAC system. If those ever go off or they detect smoke in the ducts or the ducts get dirty and it goes off, you will receive a supervisory signal that will light up right there. If this happens, the fire department will not be called, but it will shut down all your air conditioning. So you will likely know, and you'll come out here and you'll see that the supervisory is up and either the duct is dirty and needs to be cleaned or reset or something like that. Usually you can flip the breaker and it'll reset the system and the AC will come back on. If that doesn't happen, you can call us, Texas Star, and we will come out and reset it for you. The other thing is a trouble. If there are any ground faults, anything with the system that we would need to be called out for, there'll be a trouble light that pops up there and you can give us a call and it'll say right up here like what the trouble is and we will be able to respond and come out there. Now if the alarms do go off and you want to silence them, you can press this button right here, silence. Do not press the reset button to silence the alarms. If you press the reset button, it'll likely go back into alarm and they'll go off again. So if you want to silence the alarms, if they're going off, you just press that button. Now, the only other thing you really need to know on the manager side is how to do a fire drill. To do a fire drill, all you do, see this enter button, is you press it 3 times. Enter, see the system test, press it again. Fire drill, press it again, and then it'll go into a fire drill. And so all you need to do, press the enter button 3 times if you want to test a fire drill. You do not need to call the monitoring station. You do not need to put it on test. If you do the fire drill, it will not call the fire department out here. That is everything I have for this demonstration. Thank you.